have the Fabfitfun Fall 2023 box for you guys. They reached out to me, so this was sent for review purpose. I think that the box is super cute. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. And then on the side here, it tells you that you can use the box to plant a garden bed, like a cat box. It's 100% recyclable, so we always want to see that. Really, really nice. Another thing that's really cool is that this is a seasonal box, so you get 6 full products and you get to choose from different items. And they actually, it's the first time ever in like an unboxing that I got to pick the products that were going to be in here. I thought that was super, super cool of them, because that's what the actual subscriber goes through, is actually being able to pick their own choices. So I thought that that was really cool of them to do. That way I could actually pick products that I really would enjoy. That being said, I will add any additional information about Fabfitfun down below. I know that they've made some changes to their subscription box, which was really nice to see. So I'll try to have all that information in the down box, as well as their website. So let's go ahead and get into it and open this baby up. So the first thing that I see in here is the Silked One Satin Pillow Sleeve. I saw this as one of the options, and this box is like a little bit of everything. It's not just like makeup centered, it has like lifestyle, so you can like curate it to have like a little bit of everything in there. So I've always heard of people saying that satin pillows are really good for your hair, and especially like if your hair gets tangled easily, which mine does. I have very thin hair and it gets tangled so easily. So I did choose this. I didn't get to choose like what color it was gonna come in. So it came in this green color, which I'm not mad at. I think it's really cool. I am kind of confused because there's only one side that's silk, but I guess you only need one side. So it's green on one side and then it's just like a regular pillow on the other. I guess that also is awesome because you wouldn't like be slipping and sliding the pillow everywhere. Like the pillow will stay in place, and then the upper part is the one with the silk. So really, really cool that I was able to pick that. I'll let you guys know how it goes. It says that it's a washable satin sleeve designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up feeling and looking refreshed. It says that it fits standard king and queen pillows and pillowcases, good for home and travel. So we'll be testing that baby out. Next thing in here, I chose this. This is a hand and body wash, and this is sandalwood and sage. Anybody who knows me knows that I love a good... Ooh. Okay, had to open the baby up. It had like a big plastic around it. But this is the Cuscio Botanicals Self-Care Hand and Body Wash. It's sandalwood and sage. And it's like a light scent. It's not like overpowering. So I will be adding this to my body wash. It's supposed to have shea butter and oat amino acids for your skin. It's just clear like that, and I do love that it has a pump. Next thing in here is some, and I didn't pick this at all. These are the Ricola Throat Balm, which I'm not mad at because I love me some Ricola. Like if I go for cough drops, like these babies are my go-to. Next we have the Glow Recipe. This I chose because I absolutely love it. I did use one up completely, and this is just amazing. It's just super hydrating on the skin. It has hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. It gives your skin like a gorgeous glow. And like I said, I used up a full bottle of this. So then when I saw this as one of the options, I was like, come to mama, because I love me some Glow Recipe. Their skin products are absolutely amazing. Next we have another skincare product, and this is from Murad. Murad has just amazing skincare, and this is their Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisturizer. And so I had to get this as well because I am all about skincare, especially brands like this that I love. I just gravitate to them, and I know that they're really good. I had tried this previously and I really like it. It's just a white fluffy, like really thick cream. And my skin just loves hydration. Any hydration that I can give it, like my skin is all for it. I'm sorry if you guys can hear. Rocky's like in his own like mood over there, just flipping around on the floor. Don't look at me like that. Don't. Next up is this little bag by Obey. I'll go ahead and open it up. So this is basically like a fanny pack. I absolutely love little fanny packs. I have one from Adidas that I use all the time for the gym. So when I saw this one, I just really gravitated towards it. I love these for traveling and also for the gym, or if you're gonna go somewhere, if you're a mom, you like to be hands-free. And so I always either have a backpack or a fanny pack, and I absolutely live for them. So I thought that this one was super cute. It's green. You can carry a lot of things in here, just like a purse. So that's what it looks like on the inside, and then it has a zipper on the outside for easy access as well. And it says that this is a waist pack. It's 9 inches by 5.5 by 2 inches, and it's supposed to be like they give you a free month of fitness classes. So I guess this is inspired by a brand that is fitness prone. So this is the OB. And I'll have to look into the brand, but apparently they give you with like this QR code 1 free month's trial of their live classes. So I didn't know that this was associated with that, but I think that that's really cool. I love little bags like this for the waist, so that's the reason that I got it. And then the last thing in here is another one of my favorite brands for skincare, and this is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is just an overall really great skincare cleanser, and it just works fabulously. It's not targeted towards any kind of problem like, for example, acne or anything like that. So if you're just looking for a good cleanser, this is a really great one. It is fragrance-free, gentle, and it does remove makeup. I always double cleanse, so I don't fully like just use one cleanser, but this is a really, really great brand if you're looking for skincare as well. So as you can see, like the majority of my products were skincare. I don't think that I saw on the pics, I don't remember any makeup products being available. So I did gravitate more towards the skincare, and then for the lifestyle products, I really wanted stuff that I know that I would use. So that's why I got the pillowcase and the little bag. So definitely, if you're interested in a Fabfitfun box, you can subscribe down below. I don't know if they're gonna give me an affiliate link or not, but if not, it'll just be a regular link. And yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the box. Are you subscribed to Fabfitfun? Are you looking to subscribe? It kind of like makes me want to subscribe to them because I really like the variety of having like lifestyle with like skincare and makeup and, you know, like different options every season instead of like being it monthly. Because to be honest, like sometimes the monthly subscription can be overwhelming, like the amount of products that just keep coming and coming. So this is, I want to say every 3 or 4 months. So let me know down below your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. Socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.